Welcome to the Episode 8 videocast for English Language Test Prep Radio, your source for advice to help you maximize your score on the TOEFL, TOEIC, and IELTS exams. In this episode, you and I cover the twisted English term to be on tap and 6 cleaning phrasal verbs. I'm Professor Winn, a certified veteran instructor of English and exam prep for more than 12 years now. Increase your word power for a higher score on the TOEFL, TOEIC, or IELTS exam. Join my blog for 15 vocabulary lessons at bit.ly/vocab email. Your lessons today include a new category of vocabulary terms starting in this episode: Twisted English, to be on tap, plus your 6 cleaning phrasal verbs. Let's get started. To be on tap. This came from a Barron's magazine headline in 2014. Gains are on tap at Molson Coors. So what does on tap mean? Well, Molson Coors is a beer company, and beer that is on tap in a bar does not come in a bottle. So that's the twist on the phrase to be on tap. It's a verb that means to be readily available, to be upcoming or imminent. This is a perfect term for the speaking tests of TOEFL, TOEIC, and IELTS. Example: changes are on tap at the unprofitable company. And now let's begin a review of the 6 cleaning phrasal verbs. Clean up and tidy up. Both mean to remove litter, trash, or garbage, to arrange properly. Example: Mary's mom told her to clean up or tidy up her room before her friends arrive. Clear out. To completely empty, to remove especially forcibly, to leave quickly. Example: tourists cleared out of the beach as the storm approached. Sort out. To fix as a problem, to organize. Example: Jade had to sort out her clothes before her trip to Ibiza. Give away. To distribute or give something for free. Example: Ronald gave away the secret to the magic trick. Throw away. To discard or get rid of. Example: ugh, why throw away garbage on the beach? Now let's review our terms today. The twisted English term be on tap, and our cleaning phrasal verbs: clean up or tidy up, clear out, sort out, give away, and throw away. I know how important it is to build your knowledge of collocations, idioms, and phrasal verbs for a higher score on the test. That's why I wrote 181 Best English Collocations, Idioms, and Phrasal Verbs. Get your copy today and build your vocabulary. Visit bit.ly/181bestcip. Thanks for being with me today for the Episode 8 videocast. Download the transcript and view the presentation of this lesson at bit.ly/ELTPR008. I'm Professor Winn. Happy vocabulary building and good luck on the TOEFL, TOEIC, and IELTS exams.